Buying your first home is a big deal. But you know what? With the right support, it doesn't have to be as stressful as you might think. Hey there. My name is Mike Ervin. I'm here today to share with you some tips that every first home buyer should know before they start house hunting. Tip number one, get pre-approved first. I know you've probably have heard this 1,000 times, but I tell you, you'd be amazed on how many people over the years I've run into that start house hunting and they don't have their act together. I get it, right? It's fun scrolling Zillow looking for homes, but falling in love with a home that's outside your budget sucks. Instead, talk to a lender and get a real pre approval, not one of those quickie ones you get online where nothing is verified. It's going to give you clarity on what you can borrow, and it's also going to help your agent, like me, to show you homes you could actually fit into your budget. Number two, set a budget and stick to it. Just because you could borrow a certain amount doesn't mean you should. Keep in mind that you're going to have other expenses besides your mortgage payment. Between homeowners insurance and property taxes, you might have HOAs fees. You're also going to have other monthly costs, and all these can add up quickly. So don't think about how much you can afford. Think about how much cost you can handle. I don't know about you, but I like to go out to dinner once in a while, not to mention going on vacations. Okay. Number three, don't skip inspections. I know you found a home you love, great, but don't let the excitement make you skip inspections. It's tempting, especially in a competitive market, but skipping this step could cost you thousands in surprise repairs later. So get proper inspections done and understand what it says, and don't be afraid to ask questions. That's what your realtor is there for, to explain that stuff to you. Tip number four, your first home doesn't have to be your forever home. Here's your permission to relax a bit. You're not going to buy your forever home. You're going to buy your first home, a starter home, right? That might mean a condo, a townhome, or a smaller home with good bones, but it's okay. The goal is to get in, build equity, and grow from there. Bottom line, buying your first home is a big step, but it doesn't have to be stressful. So, any questions or anything you need, always feel free to reach out. Take care.